Hello, this is Darren from LIEBTY. Today I want to introduce to you HELI CPD15 electric sticker. The model is powered by a high-efficiency electric engine, offering 1.5 ton lifting capacity. So the product is well known for its power, reliability, and fuel efficiency, making it perfect for a wide range of industrial applications. Whether you are in whatever size, you can use it to maintain it. Firstly, we can take a look at the power system. We can look at this electric battery, and it can be taken out. The CPD15 is equipped with a self-making electric battery that delivers smooth power output, allowing it to handle heavy loads and demanding tasks with minor effort. Secondly, let's focus on the CPD15's lifting capacity, and its lifting capacity can be 2 tons. And you can look at this fork. Before we can see it, the fork features reinforced chassis and can be easily support heavy loads and withstand the rigors of long-term intensive use. Combined with its collapsible suspension system. In conclusion, the HELI CPD15 sticker is a fantastic choice for anyone in need of the power, durability, and operator comfort. Whether you are moving materials in a warehouse or taking heavy dirty tasks outdoors, this sticker provides a reliable, efficient, and safe solution for your business. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any question about this amazing sticker. You can call me.